Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. So today I am going to introduce the new lesson, chapter number 8, about internet. So children, the internet is a global computer network that lets people all over the world to exchange information through their computers. Okay. It is also lets you to search for information on its website and send receive messages on email. The full form of email is electronic mail, which is used for the communication. Okay. So let us explain what is the definition of the internet. So internet is a worldwide network of computers. Okay, which allows sharing of information. So for example, what is the meaning of sharing? Suppose if you are eating some bread to your information and giving to your friend. So you are giving the bread is the sharing. That is, if you have any information, if you want to share your friends, relatives, like that, that is the meaning of the sharing. So internet is a worldwide network of computers which allows sharing of information. In this network, computers are connected through cables. So it is a wide. So nowadays wireless connections also came. So that we call it as a Wi-Fi, and the full form of the Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. So this one is the old one. In this network, the computers are connected through cables or any other devices. Means devices which it means we have a desktop computer or laptop computer or any tablet. Okay. So it will connect the millions of computers around the world. The internet will connect the millions of computers around the world. That's why it is called that as a internet is a global network or a worldwide network. What you call internet is a global network or a worldwide network. Okay. So if you want internet, the basic things what we require. So the things are the required to connect a computer to the network. So this is the old one. Nowadays we are using mobile phone 4G for the internet connection. Just we have to recharge and we get the internet. So this one is a very fast compared to the wireless wide connection is very fast. So we need a PC or we call it as a personal computer or laptop. A modem, we require a telephone line. Basically in India we are having the BSNL like that, and internet connection, and we call it as a internet service providers, and some software to access the browse the internet. So we'll see the next diagram here. So this is the small diagram. See here telephone line. So this one is the old one. Nowadays telephone, if we need from connection, then modem, we have to give the connections this telephone line to the modem, and this the modem will connect to the CPU. Okay, so this is personal computer can connect. Okay, so telephone line, modem and PC. So what is it is a wide one. This here also you can see here modem, internet connection, telephone line. So telephone, it is a wide mean that is used to connect the computer to an internet service provider. Okay, so coming to the point, what is modem? The modem allows a computer to send or receive information through telephone lines. It sits between a computer and a telephone line. See, if you observe the here, observe here, computer it is there and modem it is there. It will convert the digital signal to analog signal. Okay. Then what is the full form of modem? So modem stands for modulator and demodulator. MO means modulator and DEM is demodulator. So remember this spelling is very important. It was the question, what is the full form of modulator modem? So you have to write modulator and demodulator. So the speed of a modem is measured in bits per second. Okay. So internet speed we have to measure in the bits per second. So there are nowadays there are popular internet service providers are there. Okay. So as of 2020, so Airtel, Vodafone, Reliance Jio, Tata, Idea, Jio 4G and BSNL. Such in that the BSNL is the government one and others are the remaining 6 are the private, and we call it as a internet service providers. So according to your convenience you can choose which one is the fast. Nowadays all are giving more fast 4G internet for online classes also. Okay, you can use this type of internet service providers. So next is what is web browser. So if you want to access or browse the internet, we need a one application or a software, call it as a web browser. So what is the main definition of web browser? It is a software application or program that allows you to access the entire information available on the internet or world wide web or web. So there are many web browsers are there. One is the Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer. This one is the old one. New is Microsoft Edge, Opera, and Apple Safari from Apple company. Okay. Next is coming to the some internet terms. So what is website? Your website is a collection of web pages, just like notebook you are having, that are linked to each other, hyperlink. If you click on the link, that is commonly called the site. The site looks like a book that contains many web pages. Then what is web pages? A web page is a collection of text, for example names, okay, whatever you want to type text, like that. Videos, so generally videos are in the MP4 format. Images, we call it as a JPG. Photos, generally there, and there are other multimedia files. It is stored in an electronic form on a computer connected to the internet. The address of a web page always starts with the World Wide Web. For example, www.computer.com, www. like that. Okay. So coming to the home page. So the first page which you appear in the internet, it is called a home page. Each website has one page. This is known as home page. When you open a site, it usually takes you to the home page of the site. The home page has many highlighted words, pictures, and links to other pages, or hyperlinks to link to other page, which you take to other pages of that site. Then what is the full for www? www is a system of interlinked documents called web pages. These web pages can be accessed with the help of the internet. So these are the some internet terms. Okay, then what is last one? There are web browser. There are several websites from which we can get the information. The website open in a special software known as web browser. So there are so many websites: Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. So if you want to open a website, then we have to type the address of that website in that URL bar and press the enter key. Okay, so 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 this is the uses of internet for kids or children. So by using internet, we can search for anything on the internet. So it is a handy platform to upload. So you are giving information from your computer to the server, and for example your personal information, if you are applying for passport, you are uploading your information to the computer. Download. So nowadays we are using download for movies, data, songs, like, and share the data. Internet also provides a good source of entertainment. So nowadays if you want to watch movies, like with the internet we can connect with the people all over the world. The internet is also an excellent place to do business, for example e-commerce business. Okay, so Amazon, online shopping also we can do. Online banking or net banking we call it as a. So if you want to do transactions, you need a online banking username and password. Because of the internet, online shopping, carrying only one small device with the internet connection means having the world full of information in your hand at once. The internet lets a man sit in one place and explore the world. The internet is probably one of the most revolutionizing invention. So this is the regarding the introduction the internet. So once while we go to the web browsers, there are five browsers are the Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, and Apple Safari. So this is the website, web pages, home page, worldwide, and web browser. So these are the use of internet. So I will show practically how to open a browser and how to search the image. This I will show you. Okay. First, what you do is open the Google. So this is the search engine. Google is a search engine. So children, just you type, for example, Bill Gates. Just you enter. Okay, now if you want to the pages, if you want to this images you want to share, So this is the images. You just click on the images. Okay, so these are the Bill Gates images. Now if you want to save the image up to the desktop, just right click the image and save images, and you select the desktop. Okay, so and here you type the file name Bill Gates and save. Now if you want to see, just right click the mouse and show the desktop, and you will find the Bill Gates. This is in this way you can download the photos also. Okay, now if you want to watch movies also, just you go videos, YouTube videos. Okay, these are all the videos. Okay, if images, books, news about the Bill Gates, like this you can search. See that one. Okay, so in this way you can use the internet for the connection. Okay, thank you for watching this one.